Is divorce the ultimate solution or just the beginning of a new set of challenges? This question often lingers in the minds of couples contemplating the end of their marriage. Divorce, while offering a sense of freedom and relief, carries profound implications that affect not only the partners but also their families, finances, and emotional well-being. When the thought of divorce seems like a great idea, it's usually a response to persistent dissatisfaction, conflict, or a loss of connection in the relationship. Many couples view it as a way to escape pain or regain control of their lives. However, it is essential to distinguish between temporary frustrations and irreconcilable differences that genuinely warrant such a significant step. One of the first impacts of considering divorce is emotional. The decision often stems from feelings of resentment, betrayal, or incompatibility. While these emotions are valid, they can cloud judgment and make it difficult to assess the long-term consequences. Couples must pause and evaluate whether their issues stem from external stressors, lack of communication, or deeper incompatibilities. Financially, divorce is not merely the separation of two lives, but also the division of shared assets and responsibilities. Legal fees, alimony, child support, and the cost of maintaining two separate households can strain both parties. Understanding these financial realities before proceeding can help manage expectations and avoid unnecessary surprises. Another critical aspect is the impact on children, if applicable. Divorce reshapes the family dynamic, and children often bear the emotional burden of navigating new routines and relationships. Open communication and co-parenting strategies are crucial to minimizing the negative effects on their well-being. Despite these challenges, divorce can also represent a pathway to personal growth and fulfillment if approached with clarity and purpose. For some, it's an opportunity to leave a toxic environment, rediscover individual identity, or pursue happiness that was unattainable within the marriage. However, this outcome is most likely when both parties make an effort to address lingering issues and prioritize healing. If you're contemplating divorce, seek professional guidance. Therapists, mediators, and legal advisors can provide valuable insights to help you navigate this complex process. Engage in honest conversations with your partner to explore whether reconciliation is possible. If not, focus on creating a respectful and structured approach to separation. Ultimately, divorce is a deeply personal decision that requires careful consideration of its emotional, financial, and social ramifications. Before taking this life-altering step, ask yourself, are you prepared to embrace both the challenges and opportunities that come with starting over?